All university students should do part-time jobs while they are studying. So I think one of the advantage is that you earn your own money, and that's good. And even other the advantages is that you be very near to the thing that you studied, to the labor, and that's good for improve your abilities. So of course we have some disadvantages that are that you don't have time for sleep, you don't have enough time for doing other things, so you need to be very organized. Well, in my opinion, it's good to work and study, but you need to be very brave. You need to be very organized. I think it's better than you doing the things.